Hello everyone, I'm Deepa, a teacher at BVM Global at Bengaluru. We at BVM share a strong bonding not only with our students but also with the parents who continue to believe in our institution. Here we have Mr. Anish who will be sharing his journey with BVM as a parent. We welcome you, Mr. Anish. Please tell us about yourself.
Hi, I'm Anish, born in Kerala, raised in Maharashtra. I'm a graduate and I'm on the infrastructure side for close to 15 years now. Been in Bangalore for 6 years. My hobbies and passion are primarily on the tech side. I do a lot of tinkering, building servers, gadgets for home use, though not many people at home use it. My wife is also on the technology side. Unfortunately, she couldn't be on this video. She's taking care of the kids. I also love reading books, though these days it's primarily on the tablet. So both my kids are in BVM. My son Dhruv is in the fifth standard, joined in 2017. My daughter is in the first, joined last year. This was like the start of COVID. She hasn't seen the school yet.
It's nice to know about your interests. Having chosen BVM for your kids, may I now ask you, how did you come to know about our school?
Why BVM? We were on the lookout for a school that was not overwhelming in terms of education, while imparting holistic education for the kids. BVM came as a recommendation from Dhruv's daycare. This was back when he was in kindergarten. BVM essentially ticked the right boxes for us in terms of the balance in education and also being spiritually inclined, which a lot of schools seem to miss out on. Plus, it's not overwhelmingly expensive. It's definitely not expensive. So the balance is through and through.
Thank you for sharing. How comfortable are your children with the online education, especially when you are from the technological background?
In terms of technical education, my core area, BVM has quite a structured curriculum, has great faculty as we have seen in the last 2 years. Managing kids over the internet has is definitely not easy. I mean, I can see the trouble that they go through managing the kids, but the imparting the education has been top notch. There is a early initiation into robotics and also AI, and the courses are quite simple for the kids to understand. At the moment, it's quite early for me to say how good BVM is in terms of technical education, because my son is just in fifth and he's just starting off in a lot of these courses. But 2 years back, when BVM had technical showcases, 8th standard kids, some of the projects that they came up with were totally phenomenal. So I would think my kids are in good hands as far as technology is concerned.
It was wonderful talking to you, Mr. Anish. So that was Mr. Anish sharing his views and opinions about his connection with BVM. Stay home, stay safe, and stay connected.